Oh, what a ball! What an over! This is the over of the night. Wanindu Hasaranga, completely done. Safras, look at this, looking to play the cut, spot back, and completely done. Brilliant, absolutely.
That's a good cricketer. Oh. Gethgate down the wicket, stranded. Really good catch, really good take, really good stumping.
Gap is still down the ground for Jimmy Mark.
Oh, well taken, he's done it. And he's pulled off a freak stumping.
Absolute.
Looked as though he picked it as the other one, Sangakkara.
Oh, it's out. That is out. He's got his man. Well bowled, Murali. Maybe kept a little bit low, but Dusra pitches on, turns, flag, missing off and knocking middle out, halfway up.
Yeah! Done it. That's exactly what was needed.
Tempted Tendulkar into drive. Hit that patch, turn big, and off came the bails.
Amazing. Till the ball hits the pad. Just look at this.
Oh, this spin's big, massive. Middle stump, behind his legs.
It's bowled him. What a beauty. Butcher's got to go. It wasn't back-to-back hundreds.
Much turn as this. Might have just hit in the foot marks, but it's a quick delivery. And look where this pitches. Well, that's, you say pitch leg hit off. Well, that's pitch way outside leg and hit off.